What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Hocus Pocus School. Today we're going to talk about how to execute a swap on PulseX. Please make sure you already have your MetaMask wallet extension already downloaded, and make sure you also have your PulseChain testnet added to your MetaMask wallet. So the first step you want to do is come over here, click MetaMask, and make sure you have logged into your wallet and you're also onto the PulseChain testnet. Now, next step you want to do is come over here to app.v2b.testnet.pulsex.com, and it will pop over to the testnet for PulseX. You can also just type in PulseX testnet on Google to access this website. And so once we're over there, we're going to go over to trade. We're going to click exchange. Now, once we're at this page, what we're going to do is we're going to select connect wallet, and then you're going to hit MetaMask. And it should connect right to your wallet, and you'll see how much test pulse you have right in your wallet right off the bat. For those guys who do not have any test pulse, you can come over here to Google and type in PulseChain testnet. And once you come over here to PulseChain testnet, there's going to be a little tab on the first of your searches, and it's going to say PulseChain testnet faucet. And you can come over here, connect your wallet, and hit request. And once you hit request, it's going to send you 10 test pulse straight to your wallet. So that's also another little cool tool that you can utilize, especially if you're trying to get used to PulseX. So when we come back over here, we have our pulse, and what we're going to do is swap for Hocus Pocus. Now, you're going to click on the PulseX symbol right here, and then we're gonna type in the name of the token. So you can do this one of two ways. You can come down and just select HOC from the list, but if it's not on the list, what you want to do is you want to come over to hocuspocus.finance. And when you're over at hocuspocus.finance, you can select testnet contract. And what this will do is it'll bring up the testnet contract for Hocus Pocus, and you come over here, copy this address, and then come back to PulseX, paste it right in, and then you'll have Hocus Pocus pop up right there, ready to rock and roll. So now that you have your swap set up, the next thing you have to do is you have to come over here to this little wheel in the top right corner. You're going to have to adjust the slippage. Keep in mind, Hocus Pocus has a tax on buy and sells, and that requires you to increase the slippage tolerance. And so you want to come over here and type in 10%, and then click the X. And after that, we're going to specify how much pulse we want to swap for Hocus Pocus tokens. And so for this, we're just going to do a straight up 2. So once you specify the amount of pulse you want to swap for Hocus Pocus, you are ready to go. We got the slippage ready, and we also have our wallet connected. So you're just going to come over here and click swap, and then hit confirm swap, and then it's going to come up here with a smart contract, and then you're just going to hit confirm, and then just hit close. And so while that goes through, it's going to take a little bit of a minute, and then bada bing bada boom, transaction approved. The best way to confirm this transaction is you come back over here to your wallet, and you'll see that your Hocus Pocus has not showed up yet. So how we can add this token to our wallet is you're going to hit import token, and you're going to come back to the Hocus Pocus.finance, select testnet contract, come back over, grab the Hocus Pocus contract, come back to your MetaMask wallet, and we're going to hit import token, paste in the token, and then it'll automatically put up HOC, and then add a custom token, hit import token, and bada bing bada boom, you can see your HOC that you have swapped for. So that's it for the video, guys, and thank you for being a Hocus Pocus School.